Welcome to my castle. This is what I stumbled upon. Behind these doors are all my knightsmen on horses, ready to conquer the world. Hope you guys are doing fabulous today. I want to do a video on how to start a raw food diet. So for me, I haven't always been on raw food. I came off the standard Canadian diet, eating lots of meat, dairy, fast food, junk food, and then I started transitioning slowly. And for me, what has helped is the transition period and taking, slow steps. Some of you may be going right in the deep end, maybe going right into raw food, and you just want to, improve on your health, or say you want to just help the environment, help Mother Nature, or help the animals maybe. Whatever the reason is, you may just want to test it out, may just want to see how you feel. I'm gonna just give you my tips on what has helped me and transition and make this a fun, easy process. So for me, it was really to do with the mind to start. I remember when I was eating lots of meat and dairy and fast food, I had health problems, and I went to see a naturopath, and the naturopath recommended I start with 2 vegetarian meals a week. And I thought, I can't do that. Where am I gonna get my protein? And we'll do some videos on protein. But right away I said, I can't do that. And just, just the mind was not there, I was stopping myself with just my words by saying, I can't do that. So one thing that has helped me is saying that I can do it. I'm going to do it. And let's start now. Let's start today. And your words are bond. You say something, you say you're gonna do it, you'll follow through with that. And for me, I started doing 2 vegetarian meals a week. I felt so good and started seeing my health improve that I started doing 3, 4, 5 vegetarian meals a week. Then I went vegan. And even with the vegan lifestyle, I still was eating lots of processed food and some junk food. Once I found vegan, I started really wanting to improve on my health issues, so I found raw veganism. And at first I was like, no, I can't do this. This is too hard. And again, I was telling myself, I can't do it. So what we tell ourselves, that has a huge influence on what we're gonna do, on our actions. So now I'm saying, why can't I do it? I am gonna do it. Let's try it. Let's challenge myself to do it. So what I started doing was I started making it easy on myself. Just started bringing in fruit for breakfast. Just started changing 1 meal a day. So for breakfast, I'd have a whole bowl full of grapes, or a whole bunch of bananas, or a bowl full of berries and bananas. And you can choose any fruit that you like. If you look at the fruit kingdom, it's massive. So this is about increasing fruits and vegetables and leafy greens and some nuts and seeds. I started doing some acai bowls for lunch. And then I'd maybe have a salad or a green drink. And then, where I am in Canada here, it's still very, very cold. So sometimes I do like a warming soup. And I'm gonna have some recipes coming out on some soups that you can do. But really, my advice would be to start with just 1 meal and then go to 2 meals and start by saying, yeah, I can do this. See how you feel. And for me, it was really about healing and going after my health. And so when I'd go to the store, I would just focus on putting my money towards as many fruits and vegetables as possible and leafy greens. And when I started putting my money towards health, I started giving my body health. And then I started eliminating ovarian cysts. And I saw, wow, the power of food. It started clearing up my skin, my acne that I've had for so many years. So really, when you hear Hippocrates, let your food be your medicine, that speaks so much truth. Every day, whatever you eat is gonna, you know, be your health. And when you're giving your body, you know, the hydration from the fruits and the vegetables, the antioxidants, this is what it's all about. It's all about giving your body health and knowing that you deserve to have health, happiness, and putting your money towards that is everything on this planet, you guys. Having energy to do things. I have so much energy now compared to where I was, you know, say 5 years ago, 10 years ago. I didn't have much energy. I was always, you know, drinking, trying to find energy through other sources like coffees and stimulants and energy drinks. And now I get it from the fruit. And what I love about the fruit is it's hydrating as well. And it has that sugar content for our cells to give us energy. And that's where the flavonoids are, the phytonutrients. So when we start giving our body overdosing on nutrition, on live living foods, living enzymes, and we start to feel alive, and we can start to, for me, I started to heal a lot of health issues. One other thing that can help you out is when you go to the grocery store, you're putting your money towards fruits and vegetables, but I always try to have fruit and vegetables around. If you walk in my house, you'll see a fruit table, and I always try to make fruit accessible so that if I'm on the go, I can just grab some bananas, apples, oranges, and I'm good. I got my fuel. I can put them in my backpack, go for a bike ride, and I'm fueled up. Or, you know, you just do a quick smoothie, whatever it is. It's, you know, that fast food, fast, healthy food that you're giving your body. And know that you're giving your body health. So it's important to always have these types of foods around so you're less likely to grab something else. Something else that has helped me is, you know, I'd be hooked on, say, lots of pastas or white noodles or even wraps. So what I did was I found there's some raw food stores in my area, and there's also some raw food stores online. So you can make some transitions by, say, if you have, say you really like wraps, you can find some raw wraps, some coconut wraps or sun-dried tomatoes or whatever you like. There's lots of different options out there. There's even kelp noodles, there's butternut squash noodles, zucchini noodles. You can have fun with it. So this isn't about, you know, restricting, it's about giving your body lots of health, lots of fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, and having fun with it. You can do all sorts of things. But what helped me was finding foods that will help me transition that are similar. And one really important thing that has helped me out is support. So finding people that can support me and even help me on this lifestyle. So most of my friends and family, they are, you know, still eating the standard American diet, the paleo diet. Some are vegetarian, some are lacto-vegetarian, some are vegan. So there's all sorts of, you know, different lifestyles, and there's a whole range of diversity out there. And I don't think you need to even label yourself if you don't want to. I like that people can have the freedom to choose. And you know, you guys are all welcome on my channel, wherever stage you're at. See, everyone's on their own path, on their own journey. And sharing and helping each other out is what I love online here. So even though my family may not understand this lifestyle, they may not be awake to it yet. And if you are in that same position where, say, your friends or family, they may not support your lifestyle, they may not, I mean, come on, who doesn't agree with eating lots of fruits and vegetables? I think most people nowadays, they know that fruits and vegetables, that's where the health is. That's where the antioxidants are. So if you don't have support in your life right now, find support online. We have a great family here. A lot of my subscribers, you bees out there, you guys are all so helpful. You guys are helping each other out in the comment section. I love it. Supporting each other. Some people have been on this lifestyle, this raw food lifestyle, for years. Some people have been even fruitarians for years. And you're sharing your tips and tricks, and I love it. And so if you don't have anyone that can support you, find some people online, subscribe to these people, and, you know, find what they're doing, find what works for them, and you'll get that support there that you need. So those are some things that have helped me. I always make sure that I have lots of fruits and vegetables around. I always make sure that I'm tuned in to people that are into the raw foods, into healthy living, healthy eating. You may not even be on raw food, but I just love, you know, tuning into you because you're all about a healthy lifestyle. And this is what it's about. It's about helping each other out, become healthier and happier, and have more freedom on this planet, and be, you know, not be suffering in pain or stress. So I always make sure that I got lots of fruits and vegetables around. I make sure that I got support, and I make sure that I find transitional foods. And really, it's about the mind and telling yourself that you can do this, and just start with 1 meal a day and just take some baby steps. You can do this, and you got my support. I'm right behind you. I've healed myself, you know, from so many different health issues, that I really love promoting a raw food diet. I love promoting raw living food, enzymes. Let's get the sun behind us here. So hope that helps you guys out. I'm here in Canada, -20, and I'm still going strong, and I'm still loving it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hopefully it helps you out. If you have any more tips and tricks, share them down below, and we'll catch up with you guys in another video. As always, be alkaline, be yourself, and be getting in some raw food today. Cheers.